The problems with EHI inspections is most companies need a lot of information in order to carry out an EHI inspection. So when somebody's stood looking at a piece of equipment, they need to know the hazardous area ratings that the equipment's in. They need to know the special conditions on the certificate. They want to know if there's been any major modifications performed recently. Looking at a simple piece of equipment, you can't ascertain any of that information. So you need more information in order to be able to do what you need to do. And therefore you've got to feed forward information, and paper forms can't do that. Industry still relies heavily on paper because it's traditional and people are used to it. There's a comfort factor, you know. I'm trying to move people on, and using electronic form is not that convenient for people. Obviously, with the older generation retiring and the new generation coming in, they're more au fait with the technology. So hopefully we can move with the times and move away from paper and more into electronic means. Clients carry out an awful lot of inspections. Every single piece of equipment by legislations looked at every 3 years. So you can imagine for a facility with 500,000 items of equipment, that's an awful lot of inspections. And invariably, if it's put on paper, you can't analyse. Companies want to analyse, they want to see what's failing, they want to improve performance and obviously guarantee safety. So using the technology the way it should be, you can obviously do those things where on paper you can't. With the EHI inspections, Phusion software can help enormously. We've put in the fact that there's a route to be performed, so we can guide people to where they need to go, the order in which they need to do it. We can feed forward hazardous area certificates, we can feed forward the data related to the hazardous area, and therefore make it as easy as possible for the inspector to do their job. And what we're finding is inspectors, rather than taking 20 minutes, they can now get an inspection done in less than 2 minutes. The benefit of using Phusion on-site in hazardous areas is we can guarantee an inspection. The objective of it is to get the inspector to the place of work, give him all the information he needs to do his job, provide him with the lookups that he needs, and make sure that he can do it first time. Sometimes obviously the inspector goes to site, and because of information deficiency he has to do a revisit. So the objective of using the technology is to make sure that it's right first time, every time.